Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the slope of the tangent line. So now I want to show you how to answer. That means we need to find about dy over dx. So in this one we have dy over dt and dx over dt. That means we need to do first the derivative of y with respect to t. So for this one, we have negative number 4 sine 4t. This one, we have 2 cosine 2t. And now we need to simplify the number. And now we put b over 8 gone here. So they should be like this. And now negative with the square root of number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.